Alright, so this one's turning out pretty nice. Looks pretty good. I had an error here because it accidentally sent the wrong G code to this thing. Let's see if we can maybe correct it on here. Yeah, see the error. It moved out of range. It printed this with the G code. So you can see right here. It says Neo. It's for the Ender 3 Neo. And so this is the other half of the case. It'd be interesting to see if they fit properly, just because kind of a nasty little seam right there. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this thing down. Well, actually, I don't want to shut it down. I want to reset it. I don't know if there's an easy way to reset it without. How about we? Is there a way to like home it? I don't know. Okay. Let's see here. Moved out of range. Okay. What does that do? Let's just, we'll go restart. And then, Moonraker. Okay. Yeah, that worked for that part. Looks like the printer did. Printer's still sitting in the same spot. Let me see if I can grab the actual correct file for this thing. It was supposed to be this one. Okay. Looks like it's doing something. Alright. It's stuck in some kind of damn loop now. Let me see here. There you go. Uh-oh. You hear that? It just did something really nuts. I've seen it do that before. Okay. I'm shutting the entire thing down from the printer itself. What sucks is I can't multitask because I need to use this computer to do all that stuff, and then I need to go and I got to slice the file for the other one. So it would be nice to have more than one slicer open, because right now I'm dealing with this printer and I have only one printer out of the three actually printing at the moment. In other news, I finally got Mexico on 6 meters. That actually might be a record for me. I have never gotten out of the country on 6 meters. Let's take a look at this. I don't know what this thing's doing. It won't turn on or off. I'll shut it off for a while. Okay. Get print finished. Let it cool maybe. Sometimes if you're not careful with the PLA, it'll melt. That is garbage. It looks like it should maybe fit. Yeah, it's pretty close. Cool. Let's see what we got. That's not bad for an Ender 3. You know, you're always going to kind of get that the deal here. I could tighten it up a little bit, but I mean, look, that's pretty nice for Ender 3. But the front part looks like, you know, you would expect. A little bit of stringing, but not too bad. Pretty good. And no supports to remove, which is nice. So yeah, so I just got to get this thing back online, and then we get this one going again. Print maybe the other half of that. I'll turn this one back on, see if it behaves. All right, I think we might be getting ready. Might have that one reconnected. This is why sometimes I really just don't feel like dealing with the remote printing, because I could have just went in here, you know, dealt with the USB stick and had it going, no problem. But anyway, all right, we got that one. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll do another print on this, and then we'll come over here and get this one printing something a little more complicated. Oh, and this print finished. Really hard to clean, actually. Real hard. I don't know if there's a way to print this one without supports. But yeah, it was kind of hard to clean. So this is a neat idea, but I need to find a better design because the board doesn't really want to fit in it. So we got that. Get this one. We get this one. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you updated when I get more stuff printed.